This AI tool makes it possible for anyone to build their own mobile app without needing to know how to code. The AI app building tool that I'm talking about is called Softr. Softr is a user-friendly platform that allows you to create custom mobile apps very easily. With just a few simple steps, you can have your very own app up and running in no time. First, you have to sign up for an account on Softr's website. A link is in the description. Then you choose the type of app that you want to build. Write an AI prompt that accurately describes the app that you want to build and click on Preview your app. Once you are in, you can start building your app by choosing a template that fits your needs. There are tons of templates to choose from, so pick one that speaks to you. Next, it's time to customize your app. You can add text, images, buttons, and more to make your app look exactly how you want it to. Don't forget to play around with the colors and fonts to really make it pop. After you've got everything looking just right, it's time to add some functionality to your app. You can easily integrate features like forms, databases, and user authentication with just a few clicks. Softr makes it super easy for even beginners to create a fully functional app. Another great thing about Softr is that it integrates seamlessly with other tools like Airtable and Google Sheets, making it easy to manage your data and keep everything organized. This can save you a ton of time and effort when building your app, allowing you to focus on creating a great user experience instead. Now, one of the main advantages of using Softr is the user-friendly interface that allows for quick and easy app creation. This tool also offers various templates and customization options to suit different needs and preferences. Additionally, Softr provides hosting services so you can easily share your app with others without worrying about technical details. However, as with any tool, there are limitations to consider when using Softr for mobile app creation. While it simplifies the development process, it may not offer as much flexibility or control as traditional coding methods. Users may also encounter limitations in terms of functionality or customization options compared to other more advanced tools. Another downside is that since it's template-based, your app might end up looking similar to others created with the same tool, so this could make it harder for your app to stand out in a crowded market. Additionally, while Softr is great for basic apps or prototypes, it may not be the best choice for more complex projects that require advanced features or customization. Also, there may be some restrictions on customization compared to other tools. Additionally, if you are looking for more advanced features for customization, you may need to explore other options. Overall though, Softr is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to dip their toes into app development without getting overwhelmed by complex coding language. Give it a try and see what kind of awesome apps you can create. Overall, the potential of AI in mobile app creation is vast. While there are some limitations to consider, these tools open up new possibilities for individuals looking to bring their app ideas to life without having extensive coding knowledge. If this video was useful to you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Remember that all my videos going forward will be released for members only before they go out to the general public. So if you want to see my videos immediately after they come out, please join us as a member. The link in the description is an affiliate link and it helps the channel out quite a bit because it allows us to keep the channel running.